Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is ERINA LARA MAHARANI. My student ID is 2102947. I'm from Mathematical Education Class C. Today I will material about derivative. Yang A, definition of derivative. A derivative is a measurement of how a function changes as the input value changes. Or in general, a derivative shows how a quantity changes due to a change in another quantity. The process of finding derivative is called differentiation. B, traits of derivative. Let f(x) be a function, then its derivative is f dash x, where f dash x is equal to the limit of x plus h in bracket minus fx over h. Derivative can be known through their properties along with the properties of the derivative. 1. Fx is equal to c f dash x is equal 0, where c is a constant. Fx is equal cx, f dash x is equal c. Fx is equal x to the power of n, f dash x is equal n times x to the power of n minus 1. Fx is equal cux, f dash x is equal c u dash x. Fx is equal ux plus vx, f dash x is equal u dash x plus v dash x. Fx is equal ux minus vx, f dash x is equal u dash x minus vx, v dash x. Next, example number 1. Fx is equal 2x plus x squared in bracket 4. Suppose ux is equal 2x plus x squared, so that u dash x is equal 2 plus 2x. So f dash x is equal 4 times 2x plus x squared in brackets cube times 2 plus 2x. Next, C. Derivative of algebraic function. The derivative of an algebraic function is another function of the previous function. Algebraic function derivative formula. If u is equal fx and v is equal gx, so y is equal u times v, y dash is equal to u dash times v plus u times v dash. Y is equal u over v, y dash is equal u dash times v minus u times v dash over v squared. Y is equal a times u to the power of n, y dash is equal a times n times u to the power n minus 1 times u dash. Example number 2. Fx is equal x4 over x cubed. Suppose ux is equal x to the power 4 and vx is equal x to the power 3. So u dash x is equal 4x to the power of 3 and v dash x is equal 3x to the power 2. 3x cubed, 3x squared, so that f dash x is equal 4x cubed in bracket times x cubed in bracket minus x to the power of 4 in bracket times 3x squared over x cubed in bracket 2 squared is equal to 4x to the power of 6 minus 3x to the power of 6 over x to the power of 6 minus is equal to 1. D. Trigonometry derivative. Based on the definition of derivative, we can get several trigonometric derivative formula, namely as follows: with u and v respectively function of x, including y dash is equal to y is equal to sin x, y accent is equal cos x, y is equal cos x, y accent is equal minus sin x, y is equal to tan x, y accent is equal to sec squared x, y accent y is equal cotan x, y accent is equal to minus cosecant squared x, y is equal to secant x, y accent is equal to tan x times secant x, y is equal cosecant x, y accent is equal to cosecant x times cotan x, y is equal to sin to the power of n x, y accent is equal to n times sin to the power of n minus 1 times cos x, y accent y is equal to cos to the power of n x, y accent is equal to minus n times cos to the power of n minus 1 times sin x, y is equal to sin u, y accent is equal to u accent cos u, y is equal to cos u, y accent is equal to u accent sin u, y is equal tan u, y accent is equal u accent times secant squared u, y is equal to cotan u, y accent is equal to minus u accent times cosecant squared u, y is equal to secant u, y accent is equal u accent secant u times tan u, y is equal to cosecant u, y accent is equal to u accent. Next, example: find f dash x of fx is equal to sin squared x. Answer: suppose u is equal sin x, u accent is equal cos x. So f u is equal to u squared, f dash u is equal to 2 times u, f dash x is equal to f dash u times u accent is equal to 2 times u times cos x is equal to times sin x times cos x. Next, A. Logarithmic derivative. The simplest logarithmic function is of the form y is equal to log base a of x, with the base a and the numerous x. The following is the derivative of the logarithm function from the simple form of the logarithm function. Y is equal to log base a of x. Y accent is equal to 1 over x times log base a of a. Y is equal to log base a of gx. Y accent is equal to g accent x over gx times a log e. E is equal to 2.718281x. Example number 5. Find the derivative of the following logarithmic function. Y is equal log base 2 log 2x cube minus x squared plus x minus 7 in bracket. Answer: y is equal to log base 2 of 2x cube minus x squared plus x minus 7 in bracket. Y accent x is equal to gx over gx times log base a of e is equal to 6x squared minus 2x plus 1 over 2x cubed minus x squared plus x minus 7 times log base 2 of a. So that y accent is equal to 6x squared minus 2x plus 1 over 2x cubed minus x squared plus x minus 7 times log base 2 of e. Next, F. Derivative of exponential function. The following is the derivative of the exponential function. 1. Y is equal a to the power of x. Y accent is equal a to the power of x minus ln a. Special from y is equal to a to the power of x. Y accent sama dengan a to the power of x times ln a is equal a to the power of x times 1 is equal a to the power of x. 2. Y is equal a to the power of gx. Y accent is equal y accent x times to the power of gx ln a. Special from y is equal a to the power of gx. Y accent is equal g accent x times a to the power of gx times ln a is equal g accent x times a to the power of gx. Next, example number 6. Find the derivative of the exponential function. Y is equal 3 to the power of 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. Suppose gx is equal 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. G accent x is equal 6x minus 2. Y is equal 3 to the power of 3x squared minus x plus 1. Y accent is equal g accent x times a to the power of gx times ln a is equal 6x minus 2 in bracket times 3 to the power of 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 times 1. Okay, sorry for my mistake, and thank you for your attention, and thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Then times cosecant u times cotan u. Y is equal to sin to the power of n u. Y accent time is equal to n times u accent times sin to the power of n minus 1 times cos u. Y is equal to cos to the power of n times u. Y accent is equal to minus n times u accent times cos to the power of n minus 1 times sin u.